Let's go and talk about the stream editor sed. So the general syntax for sed is as follows. So we have the pattern first, so we have /pattern and then /action. So here pattern is a regular expression, and action is one of the commands given in the following table. If pattern is omitted, action is performed for every line as we have seen above. So guys, the / character that surrounds the patterns are required because they're used as delimiters. Remember, a delimiter is how the file or the script or the command we're using knows when to stop. So it'll see the delimiter you give it, and it knows to stop once it finds that. So we're going to look at deleting a line with sed. So to do that, we would first invoke sed. But as we see in this example, sed is now supposed to use the editing command delete line denoted by the single letter D. So we can do cat, the file we want to cat, which is etc password, and we can pipe that into sed and just give it the letter D. However, when we look at the next example, instead of invoking sed by sending a file to it through a pipe, the sed can be instructed to read the data from a file as in the following example. So the following command does exactly the same as the previous example without the cat command. So we can actually just use sed by itself. So we have sed-e and then D and then the file. So we don't have to pipe things in the sed. We can actually use sed by itself.